Portland is considered one of the most sustainable cities in the country. We are perfectly nestled between Mount Hood and our Great Coast. So we pretty much have it all for hiking, biking, any sort of outdoor activities.
Portland was the first city in the United States to set a goal for reducing carbon emissions. That was in the early 90s. People come to Portland from all over the world. They want to know how Portland did it.
We're also one of the few cities outside of California that has actually reduced the per capita motor vehicle carbon emissions.
Some of the unique challenges that we have are rain events, our diverse landscape. This includes some of our steep roadway cross slopes and running slopes.
The city of Portland, like every agency, has a limited amount of resources. We strive to design things in a way that is efficient and buildable and constructible. There's a direct relationship between how efficient we are, how much time we spend on a project, and how much we can actually build.
That's why it's so important for us to have the right tool for the job, to get it done efficiently and sustainably as we're building the most sustainable city in America.
Open Roads allows you to do all the 3D modeling that we need to. The 3D model allows the contractor and the surveyor, and sometimes even the public, to see what we are building before we're building it.
It allows us to create surfaces that then we use to design anything from stormwater drainage to roadway improvement.
Because of its seamless integration with our horizontal and vertical geometry, Open Roads plays a key part in the sustainability of our projects.
And you can develop plans with hundreds of sheets with all sorts of complicated pieces, structural walls, all sorts of transportation, multiple intersections in such a way that they can be used, replicated, edited. Within MicroStation, this new feature, geospatial context, came out. We developed some code that allowed us to use geospatial context and all of our data, and with a click of a button, in about 10 seconds, you bring in all of your GIS background files. For every project, 8 hours turned into 10 seconds. Using Bentley products. It was a huge win for the city, a huge win for our CAD team. It is a huge time save.